I have been learning Spanish for 1 year. He has been living in Mexico since 2010. Fabiola had been talking to her sister for 30 minutes. So, in order to say for how long we have or had been doing something, we have a structure in Spanish, and that is first llevar in conjugated form, then amount of time, that could be 1 month, 3 months, 2 years, 4 minutes, anything, and then gerund. So let's see some examples. I have been living in Miami for 3 years. Llevo 3 años viviendo en Miami. Claudia and Carlos have been working in that company for 5 months. Claudia y Carlos llevan 5 meses trabajando en esa empresa. I had been waiting for you for 2 hours and then I left. Llevaba 2 horas esperándote y después me fui. If you noticed, in this sentence we used llevaba, not lleve. Because whenever we talk about ongoing actions in the past, we use el pretérito imperfecto, that is past imperfect. Now, if we want to express the same but in negative, for example, I haven't studied Spanish for a week, or she hasn't spoken with him for a year, the structure will be first llevar in conjugated form, then amount of time, then sin, and then infinitive. Now let's see some examples. We haven't slept for 3 days. Llevamos 3 días sin dormir. Fernando hasn't smoked for 5 years. Fernando lleva 5 años sin fumar. So that's all in today's video, and 2 sentences for you guys. We had been living together for 6 years, and I haven't watched television for 5 months.